Hello friends, it's Jim O'Rear. Welcome back to Jim O'Rear's Wacky World. Today, we are on the lake in Clermont, Florida. Clermont is about a 30-minute drive from the major theme parks, and we are with Catboat Escapes. We are going to go on a catboat tour of the lake chains in Clermont, Florida. And this is something you can do if you're a local, if you're a tourist. You can come out here, go on a guided tour with them for a couple of hours. They have different packages at different prices. You can see what that is about on their website. You can check and see what best fits your what you want to do. And we're going to go out and show you kind of what this experience is like. This is Cypress Cove, the home base of Catboat Escapes in Clermont, Florida. And this is a cute little marina. It's just filled with boats and jet skis and stuff for the locals that live there. And there's this cute little bar also that sits there right on the lake. You can have some drinks, you can listen to a band, just enjoy the view. And right next to that is Catboat Escapes that offers tours of the beautiful lakes in Clermont, Florida.
First, I'm Nate Crawford. I'm the general manager of Catboat Escapes. We're in Clermont, which is a very special place in Florida because we are at the highest point. We are on top. The significance of that means that all of our water here that flows from here, impacts our entire state. It's also a great spot for you folks for rocket launches. On the hill, the other side of the lake, you have a direct line of sight of the launch pads from here. So this is a very special place in Florida, and we came here to show it off with our local boats here. These are Craig Cat boats. They've been manufactured right here in Orlando for over 30 years. They are super stable. They are super fun, and we take a whole group out and have a lot of fun on them. So we have the beautiful waterways, probably one of the most fun boats in the world.
It's true, it is a fun boat, and it's super easy to drive. And you'll notice there's a little cooler you can put your water in. There's a storage compartment behind the seats to put your stuff in, and a couple of levers. It is a super, super fun boat and a very safe boat to drive.
I'm one of the guides. We have several of our guides here. We have radios, we're all communicating, and we talk about the history, the topography, and the significance of this beautiful waterway. So you don't miss a thing. And also the wildlife out here. We have over 100 different species of birds recognized on this waterway.
And anyone worried about safety, there is a lot of safety measures put in place that they are very, very particular in.
So here we have our safety equipment. We love layers of safety here on our tours. We have radios for each passenger on the boat. That way we can easily communicate. We also have backup radios on the boats. And then here we have our life vests. These are all automatic life vests. If they get wet, they automatically expand. And then we also, of course, have a tab on these if you need that. But we do have a 100% perfect safety record. And so we appreciate these layers of safety very much here at Catboat Escapes.
And after some brief instruction on how to drive the boat and operate safely in the water, you are off on your own adventure. And this is a great guided tour that takes you through the connected lakes and little connecting waterways through the lakes in Clermont. You get to run it wide open at times, which is a lot of fun, to just skimming across this lake, which is like glass. And also go through some of the smaller little waterways and look at some of the beautiful homes and things that sit out there. It's filled with a lot of history about the area, as well as some of the people that live there. It covers a lot of trivia, things about some of the wildlife, the alligators, the birds, and things like that. And you really get a good sense and overview of kind of the Clermont area and the lakes and what makes this location very special in Florida.
We've been in business for about 2 years now. This was actually born out of the pandemic, the shutdown. My career before this was in stunt work, film, TV, live shows. Honestly, I was tired of breaking bones. I was looking for a career change, and I always loved boats. So that passion, I just followed that passion, and it led to this.
And you can definitely feel that passion in the tours when you go on that, and how much the people putting on this tour and your tour guides enjoy this, which makes it all the much more richer experience. Hey, what do you think?
It was amazing.
It was awesome.
Exceeded expectations.
Excellent.
Exceeded expectations.
Where's the favorite part?
Going fast, absolutely.
Going fast.
Give it 11 out of 10 stars.
Awesome.
Yes.
Local trivia, local knowledge, local trivia, going along with the thrill of riding the boat. Perfect pairing. Great. Amazing.
And we are back at Cypress Cove, the home base of Catboat Escapes, and it was so much fun. It was so much fun. There was a good combination of wide open lakes, some little twisty riverways, a mixture of wildlife and history about the location, as well as getting to see a lot of the $2 million plus homes that surround the lake. So it is a really good 2-hour tour filled with a lot of information and fun, and you even get some time to just cut it loose wide open on the lake all by yourself and explore. So check out Catboat Escapes, check out their website. You can see the different packages that they have and things like that, and how you can get out here and do some of this. Like I say, it's about 30 minutes from the major theme parks in Orlando, in Clermont, Florida. Not a bad drive at all if you're looking for something fun to do. So I hope that gives you an idea of what to expect. And I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, click that like button. That lets the powers that be know that you like the video. And while you're at it, click on follow or subscribe, and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.